So let me welcome you once again to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, always having time over here. And there is this setting in your YouTube studio that maybe you've not gotten time to actually get to find out what it means, and that might be killing your channel. So in this particular video, I'm going to take you through that particular setting. And there's this one thing I would want you to do. All right, and so right after this particular video, I would want you to do one thing, just one thing in your YouTube studio. So go to your YouTube studio right now and do this one thing for me so that it helps you grow faster. It helps your channel to grow faster. As said earlier, a lot of people are not even aware of this particular setting or feature in the YouTube studio, and even to those who are even aware of that, maybe they've not taken time to dive into it and how it can impact your channel either negatively or positively. And that's why I'm taking time in this particular video to take you through so that you get to find out and you do that one thing in your studio right now so that it will help your channel to grow faster. But hey, before we get into the YouTube studio, there's this good news I would want to relate to you. Are you a student or a teacher or any profession across the globe, and you would want to get job opportunities and fully funded scholarships to the top countries across the globe? Hey, then check out the description section of this particular video. There's this good news over there. Follow the link over there, and then you get yourself hooked up on these fully funded scholarships to study in countries like UK, America, Germany, and the top countries across the globe. But hey, after saying all these, let us get straight away into the YouTube studio. Let me show you this one thing that might be killing your channel, and there's this thing I want you to do right after showing you. So let's go straight away into the YouTube studio. Here in the YouTube studio, I want us to go straight away to where we have the analytics over here. Yes, I'm sure you are familiar with the analytics by now. Okay, so now that we are the analytics, we are going straight away to where we have the audience. And in fact, this one is very crucial, and it can have impact either negatively or positively on your channel. And that's exactly what I want you to do now. Maybe you've not taken notice of that, and that is what is actually killing your YouTube channel over here. Now scroll down to where we have format your audience or your viewers watch on YouTube. This is exactly what might be killing your YouTube channel unknowingly. All right, a lot of people are not even aware of this one. I am going to take you through this, and so wherever you find yourself watching this particular video, please do well to listen and listen attentively, so that when I finish with this actual education, you will get to find out the exact one thing to do right now to grow faster on YouTube. Okay, so now over here, YouTube is saying that these are the formats your viewers watch on YouTube. That's for within the last 28 days. We have the videos, that's the long form videos, and then we have the shorts, and then the last one is the live, that is your live session videos. Okay, so now this one is going to help you to know the types of videos or the format of videos that you should make on your channel so that your channel can grow faster. One thing over here is that a lot of people do, you see, on YouTube, these are the only 3 types of videos that they can actually make. So a lot of people do not check this setting, do not check this feature over here, but they just go straight away and then they just go live. They just make short videos, they just make long form videos without checking these, and it adversely affects their channel. So if you are someone who makes video and people are not watching, not getting the views, you're not getting views on your shorts, you're not getting views on your live streaming sessions, then check this one and do this one thing right here. Okay, so this is it. Now over here, within the last 28 days, YouTube is showing me the types of videos my people watch. So when you check here, now the long form videos over here, they have actually grouped and demarcated them into 5. That is 5 sessions. The first one is nobody watches. So assuming you are having the colored version over here at this side, only at this side, that means nobody watches the long form videos. But I am fortunate enough to see that everybody watches, because the box is actually filled. You understand? So everybody watches my long form videos. So this one is giving me a clue that if I want to get more views and more watch hours and more subscribers on my channel right here, I should be making videos at my long form category or the long form section. Yes, so people can actually watch and engage. All right, you may also check yours, and then you could see that at this side everybody watches, it will be empty. Maybe these two boxes will be empty. When it happens that way, then people are not actually engaging on your long form videos. And this one is sometimes it happens to most people who are actually leveraging their views on the shorts. You understand? So you could see that at the short here, you may be having everybody watching your short, but when they check on the long form videos, nobody is actually watching your long form videos. When it happens that way, please do well to make videos on the short. That is, make more short videos rather than making long form videos. Let us check my short over here. Actually, this one is within the first 28 days. That is the last 28 days. Don't forget about this one. And so we will try with the last 7 days and maybe one of the other options too, so that you understand it very, very well, and so that we get to find out if these data actually going to change or not. Okay, so the short over here says that everybody watches my shorts as well. So strategically, I can be making short videos and I can also be making long form videos, because these two forms of videos people are watching on my channel. The next one is the live, but that is where the problem lies. You see, at the live session here, not everybody is watching my live streamings. That is why you see that this box is not actually filled. You understand? So this one is actually giving you a clue that, hey, over here on my channel, if I want to take advantage of any of these forms of videos, I should rather take advantage on the long form videos and the short videos. That is what is going to help me grow my YouTube channel faster. And as when you check on my channel over here, you could see that I'm having a lot of long form videos, even more than the shorts and that of the live streaming sessions. Oh yes, even the live streaming session, I just feel, because people don't normally and mostly watch the live streaming sessions, and these things will actually help you to know this is the only feature or the only setting that will give you all these breakdown. And so that is the one thing I want you to do. Please quickly check your studio right now. Go to your YouTube studio right now and then check this particular settings, this particular feature. If you check this feature and then you see that people are not watching your live session, do not be wasting more time on your live streaming sessions. No, you will not get the watch hours over there, you will not get the subscribers over there, you will not get the views over there. If you find out that the short over here, not everybody is watching the short, please do not waste more time over here. And that is exactly the one thing I want you to do. It is very, very important, and that is actually going to help you a lot if you're able to do this one thing I am showing you. Now, after showing you all this within the last 28 days, let us move straight away and change it to the last 7 days. Let's do the change over here. Let's do the change over here. Last 7 days, as you can see, I'm sure you are following keenly. Great. So if you now put it on the last 7 days, great. So let's wait for it to actually finish loading the last 7 days, and then we take it from there. Good. So now you can see that, well, but it seems the last 7 days is not actually even taking effect over here. It's still showing the last 28 days, but hey, there's nothing wrong about that one. When you check out your studio and you're able to actually get the last 7 days, though I've set it to the last 7 days over here, as you can see, it's showing on top over there, but it's still not showing. Actually, it's still showing the last 28 days. There's nothing wrong about that. I said earlier, when you check in your studio and you could get the last 7 days details, then I think it's okay over there for you. But you see, this one is that feature that is going to help you grow faster on YouTube. Do not be wasting time working on the things that your viewers or your audience are not going to engage in. Oh yes, and that is the reason when you check on my channel over here, that is the reason I'm getting a lot of my long form videos going viral, getting a lot of views and a lot of subscribers and all of that. Okay, so that is it, and that is where I bring this lesson to an end this very day. And so if you have found value in this particular video, do well to give me a subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button right now, be part of this wonderful family, as I continue to give you all these details, all these tricks and hacks and information, so that you can also grow your YouTube channel successfully. There's this one thing over here. Let me give you a bonus over here. Actually, I'll get time to talk about that and make more videos about this one. That is the top geographies. You see, it's very good to get your traffic from some of these top countries, you understand, and there's a clear way to do that. Some people have been asking, Task Smart, how do I get traffic from United States of America, United Kingdom, the top countries and all of that? Successfully, and by God's will, I've been able to get 15%. That's the last 7 days. 15.8% of the traffic within the last 7 days coming from the United States of America and all that. I'm still working on optimization. Okay, it's very simple and very clear. Now, when you check on let's check on the last 28 days and see if that one is actually going to show at the top geographies, and see, let's see the top geographies I'm having over here. Okay, so last 28 days. Okay, so United States is having 20.2. that is even topping, okay, my channel over here. And then next is Nigeria, Ghana, India, United Kingdom. Okay, so if you want to get more traffic from the United States of America, hey, just let me know in the comment section right now, so that I base on the number of you people to make videos around that. Okay, I'll actually make a video for you. If you are getting only traffic from Africa, there's a very clear, simple way to get traffic from the top countries: UK, United States, and countries like that. Okay, so I'll make a video about that. But hey, let me hear from the comment section. Do you want me to make a video on that one? Let me know, so that I base on that and take the next step. So that's exactly where I bring today's lesson to an end. Please do well to take this particular one so seriously. That is the format your viewers watch on YouTube, and it's actually going to help you to get more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours, so that you can grow your channel faster. Don't forget to like this particular video, and hey, if you have found value, once again, do well to share this video so that it blesses other people as well. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.